Hey guys, Mo Morales here, and I'm in Bowling Green Park in New York City. It is the official oldest park in New York City. It's not the largest by any means whatsoever, but it has a historical significance for the United States, let alone New York City. It was a house of a statue of the King of England that was erected around 1771 for him allowing the Stamp Act to be repealed, right? So as a gracious gift to His Majesty. But then, in the 1770s, remember how there was so much turmoil between England and ourselves. Well, I say ourselves as an American. And 1776 comes around, July 4th, the Declaration of Independence is drafted and published. And then 5 days later, July 9th, they read that Declaration of Independence for the very first time in New York City, and the people just jumped on it like it was a Wu-Tang Clan concert. They got excited, and no, I'm kidding. They jumped on it, they were excited, and they decided, you know what, let's go to Bowling Green and take that statue down. And that's exactly what they did. They tore the statue down. The head was severed. They chopped it up to pieces. The head was taken later on during the war by British soldiers, and who knows where that ended up. But for the body, the actual body of the statue was sent to a ammunition refinery in Connecticut. I don't think they were called ammunition refineries, but the word is escaping me. And they crafted musket balls out of the rest of the body, like an exaggerated number of musket balls. I will place it here, that were then later on used to kill British soldiers, ironically. But I have been to this park many times over the years, and you might, if you visited New York City, you might have too. If you ever gone downtown, the Bull for Wall Street, it's right there. It's like literally half a block. I can see it from here in a little bit, but right where all these people are, right here, that's the Bull's butt. The best thing about this area is the nooks and crannies, the way the roads weave in and out. It's similar to Washington, D.C., where you could be going down what you think is going to be a long road, and it just stops short, and you got to go a different way. So that's must have been an architectural theme back in the old days of building cities. I brought the X-T50 with the Sigma 18-50. I got the Sigma 56, and as well as the 18mm f2. So I'm going to go walk around, take some photos, and that's it. I just really wanted to come here and touch the fence, because I've never touched the fence. And the fence that surrounds this park is the original fence that surrounded this park. There used to be a little post on the top of the fence. Let me see if we can get you a shot of that. See the fence here, this one here, it's one of the thicker ones. It used to have a post on top. It had ties to the crown. So the mob that day also hacked off pieces of the fence to remove any proof of their original tribute to the king. So I've never touched the fence, and again, the fence has been around since 1771. It was originally moved from this location, but then it came back. It was replanted, put back where it belongs. I don't know. I'm not a technical guy. I'm not a history guy. I'm just an old guy that wanted to walk around with my camera, but I wanted to do it today with some purpose to it. The city is really beautiful today because it's kind of cloudy, but it is what it is. How has my journey been so far with the X-T50, in case you're wondering? I have really enjoyed the compactness, the grip of it. I still have not purchased a grip for it, and I really seriously mean it when I say I probably will not be purchasing a grip for it. I think it's just perfect as it is, and I'm enjoying every second with it. All right, I'm parked in a way where I'm not sure if I'm safe there, so I'm not going to sit too long here and enjoy the time here, because worst case scenario, I'm going to end up getting booted or ticketed. So while this is wonderful, it's not really worth a parking ticket or anything along that line. Well, I hope you enjoyed the quick historical tour of New York City. And I didn't even touch the fence, like the main reason I came here, right? This fence is older than this country. How about that? And here's what I'm talking about, where there used to be breakfasts to the king and all the parliaments and stuff like that. They have, you can see the hack marks here. They were all just chopped off. You can see what kind of tools they must have been working with back then, and they couldn't get the job done 100%, but still fascinating. All right, guys, so thank you so much for spending your time with me this fine morning. Go do something productive. Go take a walk. Go find out some history about something around you. Take care. Stay strong. Stay positive. Always love. Respect the beard. Until next video. Take care.